Meaning of internationalism.
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 Internationalism. Internationalism is a political ideology that advocates cooperation and solidarity between nations, with the ultimate goal of creating a world without borders or national identities. It emphasizes the importance of global unity and interdependence in addressing issues such as poverty, inequality, human rights, and environmental degradation. Internationalism also promotes the idea of shared responsibility among nations to work towards common goals and mutually beneficial outcomes, rather than pursuing narrow self-interest or competitive advantage.